Do you see how beautiful these lights are? I mean, I am just speechless. They are stunning. I love the overall look that these lights provide my house with.
My name is Grace, and I thought I would show you as I'm opening up these outdoor lights what they look like and how easy it is to install. Instructions. I have the 2-pack here. They are beautiful. They're actually light sensing, so when the sun sets, these will turn on, and when the sun rises in the morning, these will go off. So that's really cool. Helps me not forget to turn the lights off. Here they are. Now let's go install them.
These lights are very easy to install. They're made of high quality material, IP65 outdoor protection level, durable, and the design of them is really nice. It's kind of a retro, integrating farmhouse or bohemian style, or even like a rural countryside style. Honestly, these lights can go with so many different styles. Like I have said, they do have a sensor technology. That means that in the evening, when the sun sets, these lights will turn on automatically. And then when the sun rises in the morning, they will turn off. They are both high efficiency and energy saving lights. You can use these in a wide variety of settings, in your outdoor settings, your porch, both sides of the front door, the garage entrance, the gate entrance if you have a gate, a private gate. There's a wide variety of places that you can put these lights, and they are just absolutely beautiful. I am loving the overall look that it provides my home. It really brings in that craftsman style, farmhouse style that I'm going for. I highly recommend them to anyone that is looking for outdoor light sconces. I am thankful to the brand that sent these lights out to me to test them out and give you guys my honest opinion. Super easy to install, really nice, good, durable, beautiful lights.